This is Alexander Vera with week 5 CIS 126M. Ed Carthorne for this week. I believe we were going over definitions, procedures within them, if statements, if else, loops, and whiles. Stuff. While is loop. Things like that. I made a simple program where the idea was it would ask you if you wanted the idea of some numbers. You input the number and then it prints out a simple statement. Then it would ask you again, do you want to continue? You hit yes or no. If yes, it would run it again. If no, it would ask you to press enter to exit out. This is the first definition or first function, whatever. Right here we have x as the input. While less than or equal to 0, it would tell the user to put in a 0, and then it would print out the statement. We had another one where it would ask you first, would you like to see the ideas and numbers, and this was the would you like to continue. If your answer equals yes, it would set the x to 0, and then it would run through this definition next. Else if the answer is no, you would hit enter and it would exit. Else, the idea was if the answer was right here, set up for that, was not yes or not no, then it would run back over again, going back to the answer. And I think that's where I got stuck at, because if I run it, right, and I hit this, let's just say a letter, would you like to see the numbers? M0. Okay, that actually worked. So let's see. Else it runs. Okay, so yeah, it runs back through again. It's right here. I don't know why I keep doing that. Please and no. Please type yes or no. Right. So for this instance, let's just put y again. Okay. Let's stop this. Run this again. Why? Would you like to see the idea of numbers? Why is it not? Oh, probably because I'm running the wrong instance. Sorry. Oh, crap. Let's run this one. L-I. Okay, so we hit yes for the sake of time. Please enter a number above 0. You hit 1. That's a fair size number. Enter a number, and then it runs it again and again. Here I should have added a part where it breaks, and then ask if you want to continue or not. Back to here, back to the beginning of here, so that way, or maybe after each instance, if blah 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 blah, that's a fair. So that's where I'm kind of like confused on how to do that, and probably if I had played with it some more, I'd probably be able to figure out how to run these back and forth between each other until they get to a point where it's just like, okay, I want to quit out of them. But I think I had an instance, where was it, here? Yeah, if you put it, and I also should have added something where it's like, please enter a number instead of. I'm very confident I probably would have gotten. A couple things to go over. Put some of these in the same line of code instead of having it under the same works.